Hello. In this short video, you will learn how to read a table from a file and then analyze it. Let's see the following sample. It starts by asking the user for the file type he would like to load, and also for the file path. Once we select the file type, the test continues and analyzes the matrix, splitting it to 4 different subsets that we are interested in. Now let's see how this sample is built. In order to read a CSV file, we can simply use a matchel step and use the file read function. It will read the whole text from the file, and we will then convert it to a matrix using the str2mat function. We save the result into a matrix variable that we'll later use in the transformation. In order to read an Excel file, we can use the file system library. In it, you will find many functions to manipulate files. Some of them allow you to read and write Excel files. In this case, we use the read Excel sheet to matrix function to read the whole data from the traffic counters sheet. Then, we save the results to a matrix variable that we'll use later in the transformation. Notice that we use the same matrix variable, and doing so, we can then use the same transformation step later on. Now let's see the transformations we use to analyze this matrix. The first one uses the table filter transformation and narrows the matrix to the rows that contain the word bytes in the name column. The second one does the same, but brings the bits data. In order to get port 1 statistics, you can use the custom simple transformation and get the first 2 columns with all the rows. Instead of adding it manually, you can select the first 2 columns and use the extract option. Using the extract by index will create the same transformation we just saw. And in order to get port 2 statistics, you can use a custom advanced transformation. Here, you can run through the whole input matrix and copy the first and the third column values to the output matrix. That's all. The easy ways to read information from files, combined with the powerful transformation tool which allows you to extract the specific data that you need from the large amount of data that you have, will allow you to solve many of your scenarios along the way.